What is going on? Hope everything's all right. What is happening up here? Something must have just happened. I've been doing this for like a mile. Where and what happened? I'm so confused. This would suck if I was in the car. This would suck absolute cheeks if I was in the car. accident cleanup. Well, I'm not gonna get involved with the police, so I guess I'm gonna just have to sit here. Cause I don't want no problems, big fella. No problems. Hoping everybody's alright. Cops moving. I don't want to get noticed by him because I don't want him to fucking pull me. Because he knows how I got here. And filtering, splitting, whatever you want to call it, isn't necessarily legal in PA. But they're trying to get it pushed because it's a safety thing. Bikes don't like and don't survive well being rear-ended, so it's legalized in other states, just not PA. Don't know why that's the situation here, but there we go. Okay. I hope everybody's alright. Yeah. You got it with that speeding stuff, bro. I don't know where that cop is behind me, and I don't want to know. Because my exit is right here, and I'm keeping minding my business. Glad to be done with that situation. Most of the people in that line of traffic had their cars in park, were completely off the brakes, so I guess I'm glad I came through when I did, because I caught the tail end of things, and I was probably in and out of that whole ordeal in like 5 minutes. Versus the people that were sitting there for probably like 10 plus, probably. Well, considering the fact that the accident had to happen, and then emergency services had to get there, and then the tow trucks had to get there, I think everybody that was sitting in that line of traffic had been sitting there for like 20 to 30 minutes. And that's like at the least, because I don't know if that car was flipped over. It looked like the roof had gotten damaged. I don't know how bad any of that was, but I do know that took a while to clean up. So I feel bad for everybody that was in that line of traffic. I know they were watching me go through the cars pissed off, bro. Pissed off. People hate when bikes do that. But I'm not here to please everybody. Just here to get home. So